Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Play Store payment not working. The first thing that you can try and do is head over to Play Store on your device, tap on your profile icon, tap on continue over here, select your payment method, and then add or remove a payment method or change your payment method. You must also check your country and account info on your payment method. The other thing that you must make sure of is that you have a strong internet connection. For that, you can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also turn airplane mode on and off on your device, which resets some of your network settings. Other thing that you can try is head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, scroll down to find Google Play Store, tap on Google Play Store, tap on Storage and Cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Store. If the problem still persists, you can head over to your Google on your profile icon at the top right, hit Manage Your Google Account, tap on your Google account, tap on Manage Accounts on this device, and then tap on your Google account one more time, and then hit Remove Account to remove your account from your device. After that, you can restart your device and try logging in again. If all else fails, you may have to contact your bank for any problems relating to your card or your bank account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.